What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. I want to talk about XRP in this one, but specifically the parent company, Ripple. Ripple has been making some moves recently. Now, we know that with the clarity with this case and the conclusion of the case, I'll say conclusion, right? We'll add some quotes in there. With the conclusion of the case, they can start to make moves and make partnerships and all of these other things. Well, now we're getting word of Ripple beginning testing for its stablecoin on Ethereum and the XRP ledger, which is great, absolutely fantastic. Now, obviously, we talked about this before, that the stablecoin doesn't necessarily have any major effect on XRP overall. What it will have an effect on is the fact that we have more people that are looking for something that's stable, right? Because you're looking to be on that same chain, but then be as stable as possible. Kind of like if you move your money to USDT or you move your money to USDC. It's a way for people to be comfortable with holding kind of that position or holding cryptocurrency because it's something that is stable. However, it doesn't mean that XRP will not be usable. It doesn't mean that it won't be utilized in many different forms, many different factors. It's still going to be in that same field, that same area that we all believe it's going to be. But a stablecoin would be very beneficial to comfort the normal person kind of transitioning into crypto, because you don't want to move into something that you know is going to be volatile, that I may invest or I may put $100 there because I'm going to use $100 and I go back to it in a month and it's worth $90, right? That's not something that you want to have happen. So for the normal person, it's a form of comfort, right? But let's talk about the stablecoin. Let's talk about the moves that they are making, as well as go through XRP's price. And then later we'll talk about, I want to talk about the lawsuit and the price and price predictions and all of that stuff that people really want to hear about. But if you want to, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys are interested in trading, feel free to check out my link for Margex. It's right at the top of the description, where you can trade up to a 50x leverage on XRP, up to 100x leverage on BTC and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. And then meme coins, you can also trade 25x leverage. However, I always recommend doing like a 5 to 10x leverages. Most of my leverage trades are 5 to 10x leverage. Very rarely do I do a 50x leverage. However, I have two that are in my possession right now that are doing pretty well. However, feel free to check out all of the areas, and if you want to get comfortable with leverage trading, that link is at the top of the description. Now, again, if you don't know of everything that's going on, Ripple and the SEC basically, they had a ruling, right? The judge ruled that they would pay $125 million, which essentially is more than what Ripple wanted to pay, but way less than what SEC wanted them to pay. Now, we could see an appeal, and that could be a whole situation that's happening there. But in the time that we are in now, right, for the time being, we're seeing Ripple that is essentially free, right? Where they don't have to worry about that litigation. They may have to worry about something that's coming later, but they don't have to worry about it now. So partnerships could come. Different places to where you can implement the payment options can come, and then also things that they're working on can flourish. So a big deal right now is definitely hovering around this, right? Ripple begins testing its stablecoin on Ethereum and XRP ledger. Ripple, the enterprise-focused blockchain service closely related to the XRP ledger, said on Friday that it's begun testing its stablecoin on the Ethereum mainnet and XRP ledger. Ripple USD is currently in its beta phase and is beginning rigorously testing or tested by our enterprise partners. The company said in its blog post, this phase is crucial for ensuring that the stablecoin meets the highest standard of security, efficiency, and reliability before it becomes widely available and after receipt of regulatory approval. So it seems like they're trying to do things kind of definitely more by the book as much as they possibly can, so that you don't see any type of other lawsuit that's coming into play. They're doing everything by regulatory approval so that they can utilize a stablecoin that does remain stable and is backed hopefully, I don't really know the full detail, but is fully backed and has standards and obviously is reliable and safe. The announcement came after Ripple laid out its plans in April to enter the rapidly growing stablecoin market with its own US dollar pegged token. Stablecoins are a $160 billion market currently, and a key piece of infrastructure in the crypto economy used for trading and payments to blockchains. The market is currently dominated by two of the largest stablecoins, Tether's USDT and Circle's USDC. Broker Bernstein focused that the market could grow to $2.8 trillion by 2028. Ripple USD, or RLUSD, is backed by short-term U.S. Treasuries, dollar deposits, and cash equivalents. The reserves will be audited by a third-party accounting firm, and Ripple plans to report monthly attestations. The blog post said, the company said, sorry, let me scroll down here. The company said it will offer both RLUSD and XRP for global payment services to clients. The stablecoin isn't tradable yet, as it hasn't received regulatory approval, Ripple said. So they're already making these moves. We know that they were looking to make these moves. We talked about it before. We haven't talked about it in detail, but I think this is a big thing for XRP. You're currently seeing XRP that is up to about 60 cents, and it's at a $33.6 billion market cap with $1.2 billion worth of volume in the day. We're also seeing 56.10% of the circulating supply that is out there. Now, I would like to know if all of the supply of that stablecoin is going to be released at one point in time. What's going to be the process of release, if everything's there, or if half of it's there, or whatever, or gradually getting to that point and making it available, widely available to people. I don't really know. But either way, it's going to hold that value of $1. So again, like I said in the beginning of this video, it helps people get comfortable. It transitions them, helps them transition into being a part of the crypto world and being able to utilize cryptocurrency as a form of payment without worrying about, oh, this is not at the same value it was at yesterday. However, people will get upset if it's not at the same value it's at yesterday because they were looking to spend $100, but if that does grow to $200, they're not upset. So it's about taking that risk in XRP, and I figure you're going to have kind of that same availability there for the stablecoin, and it's going to be able to push it back to understanding how much people made off of this, right? When I look at a cryptocurrency project and I look at gains, if I made gains within it, it's all about how much comes back to a stablecoin or how much comes back to a bank account, in my opinion. However, the law says something completely different, so I have to abide by that, which means that if I gain something, no matter if it's that, I transfer it, and that's basically wherever those gains were, that's how much I made, no matter if it transfers from cryptocurrency to cryptocurrency or cryptocurrency to stablecoin. So again, XRP or RLUSD will become a thing sooner than we think, and they're already making moves, already doing big things off of this win that we saw with Ripple versus SEC. So let me know what you think about this. Do you feel like the Ripple stablecoin will get in the way of XRP, or do you think they'll be able to live together? How do you believe they will live together if you do believe that's the case? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, remember to check out some of the links for Patreon, for Twitter down below, and don't neglect the link for Margex. They are a partner with the channel, and it is a fantastic platform. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.